Here we go. Okay, guys. We're not going to write first today. We're going to talk about a clock. Okay? So I first want us to look at our clocks. And I want us to find the hands on the clock. Okay? So there's two hands, right? Okay, Carson May, what's one of the hands that we know? The minute hand. Okay, and the minute hand. So I want us just to look at this for a second. So the minute hand has the word M-I-N-U-T-E. Notice how minute has 6 letters. So minute hand is the long hand. So look at your clock and see which one is the minute. The longest hand. Good, it's the minute hand, okay? Notice how the word hour has H-O-U-R. It has 4 letters. Okay? So the hour hand is my short hand. Okay? So look at yours. I'm just going to leave that on yours. And then okay? Because we have to make sure we know our hands before we can tell time. Because if we're getting our hands mixed up, then we're going to get our time wrong. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to take your clock, I want you to spin it around and around and around and around and around and around. I want you to stop it and touch the minute hand. Touch the one that's the minute hand. Alright, and you stop it with the minute hand. Good. Spin it round and round and round and round and round. Spin it around. Okay, touch the hour hand. Which one's the hour hand? Amy, which one's the hour hand? Awesome, good. Okay. Now that we know those, I want us to look and I want us to write this time. Okay? I want us to find bum. This is your chance to fix it before we take points. I want you to find 11 o'clock on your clock. So do 11 o'clock on your clock. Think about your hour hand. Think about your minute hand. So remember that hour hand is my short hand. Awesome job. Okay? Good. Okay, show me your clocks. Show me your clocks. Very good. Okay, we're going to do it just like we did in our lesson. Hide it, show it. Okay? Alright, let's do this next time. Let's do 1:30. Think about your hour hand first. What does your hour hand look like? What does your hour hand look like? Think about your hour hand. Okay. Alright, so show me what you got. Okay. Point to your hour hand. Point to your minute hand. Very good, girls. Awesome. Yes. Okay. Now, let's do this next one. Let's do 3:45. So do 3:45. Okay. Think about your hour hand. And let's count by 5s. Okay. So Emmy, count by 5 for me right here. 45. Yeah, look, 3:45. Can you show me that time? Good. Awesome job. Yep. Olivia. And Eliza. Okay, so 3:45. Good. 3:45. Good. Okay. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 7:17. Oh, you can do it, Emmy. You can do it. Okay, so do your hour hand first. Okay, I'm going to share what you did. Okay? She was looking at her hour hand and she put it on the 7 first, and then I saw her count 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Good. Person made awesome job. Okay. Okay, so 4:28. Okay, so let's look at this clock. So if I do my hour hand, I've got it on 4. I know it's a little squeaky, isn't it? So we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to switch it up a little bit. Now, and you want to sit down in your chair, I'm going to take your clock and you're going to write the time on your whiteboard. Okay? So here's your marker. First time I took your marker, there's yours. Okay, so I'm going to spin my clock around and I want you to write the time on your whiteboard. Here we go. Round and around and around she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Okay. So look at my hour hand first. Write your hour hand. Write the hour first, Emmy. Okay, now look at the minute. Awesome job, friends. A race. Okay, so good. So I see 10, 11, and then this is 12. Okay, it's okay. When you looked at it, it was 10, 11. And then when she looked at it, it was 10, 12. Okay, let's do the next one. Round and around and around she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Okay, so look at my hour hand first. Write that down. Even let you touch it. No, it's backwards. Okay, Emmy. Okay, which one is my hour hand? Which one is my hour hand? The smaller one, yes. So which one is that? Is it this hour or that? One, yes. So one, what? How about that? Yeah, good job. Okay, now I just wanted us to practice this today because I want to make sure you know the hour hand is the which hand? The smallest one, right? And the long hand is called the minute hand, okay? So remember this little trick because if you get confused on your hour and your minute, you're gonna get the time wrong, okay? All right, you may go to your center, and I want you to stay right here to me, and we're gonna finish working on your practice sheet for today, okay? Okay. You're fine. Okay, Nicole, I just wanted to show you how I do this. And one thing that I do during my lesson is I have like a little 4-square box that I keep track of who did not get the learning target. So for the learning target today was telling time to the nearest minute. And I discovered that these two friends could not, they were getting the hour and the minute hand confused. So that's why I pulled them into this small group before they did their practice sheet. So hope this is helpful.